Assalamualaikum everyone. So I have come back to my video once again. Last time I tried and messed up everything. So I thought let's try this time without any kinds of setup, any kinds of script. Now let's see how it goes. So I will talk about features later. Let's install it first. So this is important first of all. Okay, and right now I'm not using any kind of script, so it can be messed up, but I want to try like from raw. Let's see how it goes. So let's clone it first, and it's cloning. Okay, so cd p, and now okay, so let me just try from my this one. Okay, so composer install the next. So it will be super easy for beginners. So okay, so I think it's working, I guess. Okay, so it takes some times for generating optimized autoload. So till then we will wait. Okay, so it's done. Let's follow the next steps from here. So we'll copy the UND file and it's done. Then it's just generate this one. Well, first of all, we have to do something like we have to edit the database name because it will maybe it can be duplicates. So it's Laravel. You name this as a PS new, or well, test is better than. Okay, so let's make it short a little. Now what we have, let's just read it. Okay, yes. Okay, so it's done. What is our, well, don't have to do these things, and not this right now. We'll start our server from VS Code, and okay, so our email is okay, fine. Let's just start from here. Sorry, and let's see. Okay, it's here. This is admin gmail.com. I hope. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it worked. Well, so let's now talk about the features actually. So we have another thing here to start the GUI. I will just show how installed it and how the features work. So I'll uh, I mean you don't have to start this from if you want a very basic sending email, or if you don't want to see any kind of log, and if you want to see the logs, then you have to start the GUI. Well, that's not true. It's important. We have to do that. Sorry. Well, I know I'm using lots of wrong English words, but it's okay. I'm not using any kind of setup as I told before, but I don't have setup actually. I'm using my own earbuds, my own and an open source screen recorder, and my a very potato PC. So yeah, I don't have any setup. Anyways, so let's back to the features. That this is where the instant campaign. Just take Excel here. A list of emails. You can see the format here, subject, and that's it. You can format all your email template here. It's a very basic formatting, text formatting. Maybe I'm using TinyMC, but also you can use any HTML template. Just copy paste here, it will work. And there is individual email. For individual email, you have to have a email accounts first. For instant campaign also you have to have that, but yeah, they only direct you to here. So you have to add a email address here. There is, you can see some quick template, you can use them here. Bugs, it'll be very minor bugs, very design like this one. There is no text here, but so those are minor things, so I will fix them. First of all, on the previous one is you have to put your email information in the env file here. I mean, yes, here, but right now you don't have to do anything there. Actually, you can just add as more as you can. Yeah, any amount of email addresses here, and you can use them to send emails to people. Because most of the people will use this because it's open source. Most of the people will use it as a free tool, and also use Gmail web server. So they will definitely use it for free and definitely use the free services. So Gmail has some, Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, everybody has some limitation. So for that, you can use multiple accounts so that you can send emails to the people, any amount of emails to the people with different accounts. So here's the email template. You can create email template and you can save here. You can, this is kind of like, you cannot use dynamic names here. This will be kind of static email if you want to send like offer to, you have a Eid offer and you want to send your all customer, and you can do this a saved template, and yeah, like that. And there is the contact tags. You can add email contacts here. You can import and you can add one by one, import from Excel, and then you can tag them like this sort of people. I can see there is another bug. Anyway, uh, this sort of people is bought this product, so I'll send them this kind of product offer in their email. This sort of people is buy product in an offer, so I'll send them when the offer again comes. So something like that actually. So, and yeah, that's very simple. Uh, simple. Yeah, this is a simple looking profile. You can change password and all the thing. And security, what the hell is this the same? Oh no, sorry. Here you can change your password, and this is your simple looking profile. So that's it actually. It's very simple, but it's very useful for people who has a small business, and they want something handy. So you can use this software, web application, for doing all email marketing very smoothly. So yeah, I have tried to upgrade everything. Previous one was very, 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 very childish like design, and it was not like very much useful, and some people got some serious issues. They've already told me that on my GitHub. I have fixed them, but I thought let's just try something more different, more good, more useful for people. And now I'm thinking about to upgrade it more, since I have make some schedule to work on it. So let's see how far I can go. And currently I'm running maybe at 2.0.1. There will be some more fixes come very soon. And also I'll come with some, another project. It's task manager actually. It will be similar to like ClickUp, mini version of ClickUp. You can do all the things that you will do in ClickUp, but in a very small scale. You have a small team, and you want to complete your project, but you don't want to pay for the manage. You can host on your server, and you can give access to your people, your team. You can upload file there, and lots of things you can do actually. I'll come back in a very short with that actually. And yeah, that's it. And definitely sorry for my English. I've used a lot of wrong words, I know, wrong sentences. It's okay. I just randomly thought, let's just capture video. Last I tried, but I truly messed up everything. For me, anything, if I go in systematically, I messed up. But if I do anything randomly, it works. Anyway, so thank you for giving me your important time, and let's back. When the task manager is done. Till then, have a very happy year. Well, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. If you want to test it for testing purpose, I'm ready to give you any support, because when I'm a developer, when I develop something, I definitely don't see any problem, because I do test on my own way that I have built. So I want some people who can test it, and I'm here to give all the support, how to set up if there is any problem in the setup. Well, I forgot to tell you one more thing. I have used Laravel. So it is compatible with Laravel, with uh, Apache, Jamp, WAMP, and also the Herd. from Laravel. So you can use it anywhere, no problem. But if you face any kind of problem, I'm here to help you if you want to start it from for testing purpose because I'm a very bad tester. So thanks again.